You see how that just slides right in there like that? That metal piece. Right in there. Way better than before. Bam.
This is Stand Revenge.
Cell at complete idle here. No water ran through it. I mean, there's water in it, but no water being run through it. 57 ohms. This is at 1 kilohertz. Inductance 5.8 millihenries. Capacitance says it's 4 microfarad. Interesting. Next one. Here, this one a little bit higher. 73 ohms. That's just a little bit higher. So yeah, 73 ohms of resistance. You're looking at 7 millihenries and 3.6 microfarads. This is with no water being run in. There might be gaps, air bubbles in the actual tubes themselves, but I just want to get initial reading here. Taking a look at these two cells in series, we have 135 ohms of resistance, 13 millihenries of inductance, and 1,945 nanofarads. So that'd be 1.9 microfarads. Interestingly enough, after activating these cells for a little bit, even at a relatively low level, testing capacitance on this, and we are pegged at 0.7 picofarads, so not even 1 picofarad. 0.7 picofarad. Like next to no capacitance whatsoever. Just for fun, I'm putting this in parallel. I really doubt it's going to show any results, but we're going to try it. Yep, no voltage to speak of. Me gives up. Me tired, frustrated. More to come.
This is Stand Revenge.